So we're back on this Dodge. Remember about, I think 2 or 3 days ago, I released the video on this one. And it came from a shop that did a condenser and they didn't change the O-rings and they couldn't find out why it was leaking. And it came to another shop, and then this shop called me, and so I condemned the 2 O-rings. These are $185 O-rings, as I call them, for the price of admission to the education of why you always replace O-rings and seals. So they reused them because they were too lazy to order them. And of course they don't at least have a universal kit, which there's many universal kits. There's more O-rings than there's the name Lee in a Chinese phone book. So let's get back to this. Whoops, and there it goes. We're on a cold day now. We are at, I think it's 55 degrees outside. Let me open this up. 4. Come on, open. 2, 3. Open. Come on. Damn it. I lost the weather channel. Yes, we're 55 degrees. We're in Pacifica. And so on a day like today, I could fill this up with only half the refrigerant and it will be at its max coolness. You wouldn't even know. You wouldn't even know it. The low side is going to be so low, even if it was full, between half full and full, you wouldn't even know it. This is the problem with filling up on really cold days. This is why you can't guess with the little jerk-off cans, guessing for a high side pressure. If you're in a part of the country that is cold and you're trying to fill up the system and you think you're going to do it by pressures, you can kiss that out, kiss that goodbye. So I'm about to fill this up, and like I said before, the education here, and it's, oh, I don't want to pay for the diagnosis for finding the leak. I go, well, then why didn't you pay to get O-rings in the first place? And so don't call me again if you don't want to get charged for doing stupid shit like this. But most owners go, oh, I didn't know. Well, for $185 now you will know. Alright guys, I'll see you after I fill this up, and let's see if everything goes smoothly. It is ready. We're down to 230 microns, so ready to go. Fill her up.